The high school diploma is the first step. We encourage our students to think far beyond the high school diploma, to challenge themselves to think outside the box, begin to think about their career path or a college path. We are so excited about our certification program here. We are offering our students the opportunity to engage in a certification for cosmetology. We have OSHA 10, forklift operators, a Microsoft Office course. We're also working with partners to roll out a brand new program called the Pharmacy Technician Program. So the sky is the limit for certifications here, and we're continuing to partner with vendors in the area to bring more programs on board. Our senior seminar program is an amazing program for our students. It provides them with support opportunities, soft skills training, resume training, and even training that gears them towards the certifications. We're coaching them through success training, how to prepare for the interview, how to nail the interview, and from nailing the interview, how to land that dream job. We're going to push you to think outside the box. We're going to challenge you to go to college. We're going to challenge you to select that perfect career field. We want you to go online, check out our website, read some testimonials, and challenge yourself to enroll. We're here, our arms are open, and we're welcoming you to our program.